What's up, guys? People often ask me, what do showers look like in truck stops? Well, I'm here to show you what one looks like. As you can probably tell behind me, the shower head, but they put a fan in here for some reason, and you got me in the mirror. Anyway, frog crying because he's got to see my naked fat ass. Bath mat, cup, 2 towels, that crap, a washcloth. Anyway, sink, blow dryer, towel rack, chair, trash can, and there it is, the throne. All I can say is I feel sorry for this thing, and yep, you know what? It works. Toilet paper and shower head, some crappy soap, spigot, drain, back to me. But yeah, that's what these showers look like in truck stops. Some are nicer than others, some are really crappy. But yeah, there you go. I don't know why they give you this. No one eats these. This is not a hotel. Why do they give you this? Somebody explain why they give you this. I don't know. It's like you get a free shower, have a freaking mint on your crappy 1970s shag orange towel. Okay, but anyway, that's the showers here at the Petro in Waterloo, New York.